Yeah, buddy! Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna be building a PC. So let's go over the parts real quick. So for my case, that's gonna be a Fantex N2 Lux white version. I didn't expect it's gonna be this big, but damn, it looks nice. Hella nice. Really clean right there. With a power supply I'm gonna be using, I bought the EVGA 700 watts certified bronze. It's alright. It's not modular, but hey, it works. It's cheap. It's 50 bucks, so that works. And then I took for the CPU, I took the Core i7 just because I want the best one out there. Core i7 6700K, the unlock version. For my cooler, I took the Corsair H100 IGTX. I think it's the one on promotion, that's why I took this. I think it's only $85, so might as well, right? For my graphics card, I went with the G1 Gaming from Gigabyte, the GTX 980 Ti. For my RAM, I took the 16GB kit from Ballistics. It's white, that's why I took it, because my theme is white. And then for my motherboard, I just got the 7170A from Asus, because it's white as well. For my hard drive, I bought the Seagate 2TB. I didn't really get an SSD. I don't think I need that one right now, so I just went with that. It's cheap as well. And I took some white extension power cords for to make it nicer, make it all white. So we'll start with a build. All right, yeah, buddy, let's go. Alright, boys and girls, so the PC is actually working. I did a test boot just for me to make sure that every cord or power or whatever is plugged in correctly. So now it's actually time to put the graphics card. After this, I'm gonna be doing cable management, and it's good. Oh yeah, so everything works correctly. Right now I'm just installing Windows 10 that I just bought from Amazon. I did buy the home edition. So for the build right here, I mean, it looks nice, but I'm actually lacking some stuff right now. I'm gonna add some more LED lights to make it more visible, you know, the parts that's inside of my rig. And then I am actually missing an 8-pin connector, 2 of them. I only bought one. I didn't know why I did not buy another one. That was my bad. So I'm gonna update it later on and show you guys the complete build. So right now I'm just installing Windows from a USB drive that I just downloaded. I didn't really have an optical drive, so there's the USB drive. I didn't get an optical drive. I don't think I need that right now, since everything you can just download from the internet. So yeah, that'll be it. And then I'm gonna be installing all the drivers for everything that I installed there. Now that we have the drivers fully installed, let's move on to aesthetics. So the two white 8-pin extensions got delivered. We can finally install it and hide that ugly ketchup and mustard cables. And we do also have the Fantex multicolor LED strips, which is exclusive to the N2 Lux case. We're gonna slap that thing as well, and we'll see the final product. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go!
like what you just saw, you can subscribe to my channel to see more. You can also follow me on twitch.tv/tbrainfart if you want to see some Overwatch or Heroes of the Storm action. That'll be it for this video, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Yeah, buddy.